Hey, I'm Todd. This is Mark from Johnson Auto Body. Today we're going to talk about painting some plastic parts. There's a couple different things, right? There's different.
You got raw bumpers, and then you got prime bumpers. Most of your raw bumpers are foreign cars, like Toyotas, Hondas. You have to prep them different. You take them into wash bay, you wash them with scuff stuff. Oh my God, scuff stuff. Then you have to take them in the booth and clean them with alcohol to get the static out of them.
Oh, that's a good point, yeah.
Yep, you put a adhesive promoter on them to make it bond.
Okay.
And then you seal them and paint them.
So they've got a mold release, right? That's the thing that like gets stuck to them, and if we don't get that off, the paint will just blow right off in sheets. Like, it's crazy.
Yeah, so, without the adhesive promoter put on there, it'll come off in sheets completely.
Yeah.
Like you never done nothing to it.
So after all that, it's a normal process, like sealer, paint, clear coat, all that stuff. Is that
once you go through the prepping stage of it to scuff it, the adhesive promoter, then it's normal stages.
I got you.
Seal it, paint it, clear it, and roll.
What brands do you say were the raw ones usually?
Toyotas, Hondas, Subarus are all raw. Most of you foreign cars, a lot of them, except Hondas are not. Honda's got their own primer. GMs and Fords come in primed.
So a lot of the American cars and stuff like that, they all got their own primer on them that we can just go right, sand them, seal them, paint them.
Yep.
Keep on getting it.
And all your aftermarket bumpers come in primed, period. All your aftermarket bumpers you do, the same step is just sand it and paint it. If you can get them to fit.
If we can get them
to fit. If you can get them to fit. We got through a lot of mess with them.
That's a tall order right there.
Yeah. Nowadays with the parts, man, you can't hardly get the parts to come in the right color because they have so much problem getting parts.
Yeah. So we're having
back order parts.
So a lot of those plastic things that come in painted, like mirror covers, door handles, stuff like that, we're having to go back and paint them the right color because we can't get the one that we're supposed to. I got you.
Parts issues killing us.
So as usual, if you got any questions about any of this stuff, swing by or give us a call at Johnson Auto Body.
Yep, be glad to hook you up. Best shop in Brook Town.